In this question, you're given that x and y belongs to real numbers. Which of these rules are not functions? It means it's given that first element comes from real numbers, the second set is also real numbers. Is first set is real numbers, second set is also real numbers, and you are defining functions. The first option is y is equal to 9 minus x square, y equal to 2x square, y equal to x square plus 1, y is equal to root x minus x. You have given 4 rules. So which of these rules are not functions from real numbers to real numbers? That's the question. So as you can see, y is equal to 9 minus x square is obviously a function, because y is equal to x square has domain R. X square is defined for all real numbers. So for every real number in the domain, 9 minus x square gives you an image. Similarly, 2x square is also defined for every real number. X square plus 1 is also defined for every real number. But in the third option, mod x is defined for all real numbers, but root x is not defined for negative real numbers. It says not defined for negative real numbers. So root x is not defined for negative real numbers. Hence, negative numbers like minus 1, minus 2, minus 2.3, so on, does not have any image in the second set. It means some elements in the first set are being left out. So some elements in the domain are being left out. It cannot say that it is a function. So option C is the right answer. Root x minus mod x is not a function from real numbers to real numbers. So if you want to make this a function, you can define this as function from close at 0, infinity to real numbers. So within this domain and this codomain, this will be a function, but from real numbers to real numbers, it is not a function.